Tell your cousins how much you miss them. Huh? Are you giving Jilly kisses? You want her to come out of there?
Yeah.
Say hi, Jilly.
I can't go right here.
You want her to come out of the picture?
Come in picture.
Kisses?
I'm gonna come over here.
Out of the picture? Yeah.
Yeah. I can grab them.
You can't grab them?
Yeah.
Where's Jilly?
That way.
Right there. What is that? I'm going to show her the video, so you tell Jillian to come back.
Come back.
And Sam and Quinn and Maddie.
I'm gonna come back.
Come back and see you.
Yeah.
Wait, bye-bye.
Let's go.
Where'd they go? Say, I love you.
I jump on it.
You jump on it. He thinks you're going to come out of the video.
He can't come in the middle.
Out of the picture. All right, King.